Hello dear tutor and classmates, my name is Carmen Julián Muñoz Gironza and this is the presentation about the place where I live. I live in the municipality of Rosas, Cauca. Rosas is a small town south of the department of Cauca. Rosas was founded on April 24th, 1844 by Juan Noguera. Rosas is an agricultural village generating products such as coffee, sugar cane, plantain, breeding of laying hens, and currently livestock production is exploited for both meat and dairy products. Its total extension is 42,091 square kilometers. And its average temperature is 19 degrees centigrade. It is a quiet and it breathes pure air, since it has a lot of vegetation. Its population are friendly and cordial. Rosas don't make handmade sweets, but we can find the pastitas that are made with flour, panela, and peanuts, and the little cake is another product, which is a little cake in the form of a small square with a meringue cover. The trade is not very big in Rosas. There is only one bus stop. And we can find as a tourist areas are the Broncazo Hill and San Francisco Hill, the Puente Real in the village Loma Grande, the river Quilcase, and the sanctuary of the Virgen de Párraga. Rosas is a peaceful and beautiful place. Call it La Puerta del Macizo Colombiano, and everyone is welcome to meet my beautiful municipality. Thank you.